Right, here we have a 21 UCL, fairly big machine, quite what the date is on it, 1970. So now the bit, the green colour that has been commented on, big machine. What have we got here? 160 volts, or 175 volts, and 142 amps. It's pretty freaking good. We've given that a scrub recently. Lovely, quiet, well balanced generator, just humming along. Machine guards for Africa, so you can't inspect the rope. I don't know, we've got a window on this one, you can have a look. Look at that. Must be half-inch ropes, or maybe even the next size up, hard to tell. They're big. The sleeper and plexiglass, so it's hard to hurt yourself. Not that you should be here if you're going to hurt yourself on that. A little governor over the other side. Generator humming along. A bit hard to read. Focus or not? Very hard to read. Where's my torch? What does it say? 400 volts, we knew that. 40 amps, 1500 RPM. Very little noise coming out of that. Usually these things are so poorly done. There's lots of noise. Plexiglass over that once again makes it harder to run it. Over the wheel. But where are we? Where is it? Down the bottom or up the top? Down the bottom. So we can always do the XU and LU and away we go. Covers. Coming up. Got FE, 2E, 1E. It slows down. Timers even work, so they drop out in sequence. U, D and H and UX. U and UX and H end up in series, or D and DX and H end up in series. Down there. J switch there, phase failure relay essentially. DC or loop circuit overload there. Counterweight displacement detector up there. Just had a modern door operator put on it. So they put a transformer up there. This one. Use this for possibly the lighting, who knows. Says lights on underneath it by some person from Otis that can't spell. A few spares. A few oil containers. Bit of flexible tubing there. Even got a brake release. About as big as they got without going gearless, but what sort of speed. Very difficult to see when they painted it over in that green paint, 600 foot per minute. Okay. Probably even got oil in. I'm going to take those off and a little bit in there. It's clearly been leaking out. These ones have got gland packings. Leaks out, fills that up, pours down the shaft. Onto the floor there. Beautiful bearings on these machines. They've usually got a chain or a ring in there to lubricate it. We've got here. Bearing protector. Look at that lovely slip ring. Or a ring. Bathe it in oil and pick up the oil and put it all over it. Pull that back in. Clamp it down so the ring can't jump out of its groove and dry out the bearing. 4 sets of brushes, 4 sets of field coils plus 4 interpoles on this. Gives you the current feedback of a series motor. So as the torque increases, as the load increases, the torque increases. Because the interpoles give it more grunt as more current is pulled through it. like a trolley bus motor or a tram motor, same system, or a train motor for when they hit a hill, same deal. That probably times out after about 20 minutes. That's about all we need to know on that. Lovely old thing. It's the wiring like in the back, that's how you see if they were really cared about. Ooh, not too shabby. Just chuck the dodgy power supply on there for the modern indicators. Even had a few caps replaced to keep the timers working properly. A little bit messy, but that's the way they were. Non-compliant main switch. Does have a lock on it. I think that switch just runs a contactor. In the box up here, you turn it off and on, and you hear a massive thump. Powered up all the time. What's the view like out here? Not too bad. Bit of a grey day. This window. More rooftops. Deceased indicator board. Bit of spare oil. Alarm battery down there, you can't even get those anymore, dry cells. Should be rechargeable anyway on a power supply. Anyway, that's it. Oh yeah, the MG timer has been either replaced or removed. Would have been a valve there originally. We've got a hand winding wheel. Borrow will clearly look after this for a little bit. Went in by Otis, then Borrow, and then I think Borrow got bought back by Otis. Throw an instruction sheet on the wall just in case you guys don't know what they're doing. All the rest to see there.